It's Mr. Geico Man. He came to say goodbye because hopefully I'll be getting into an apartment Monday. We'll find out. See how close I can get before he takes off. Isn't that something? He's gorgeous. Look at that line on the back of him. There's another one that was green like him, and this is the first time I saw this one with that color. Oh, look, he's enjoying being on video. Got something to say for your fans, huh? Up, up, up. Where's he going? Where's he going? I see you, Mr. Geico Man. You can't hide from me.